Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with some black paint and some gloss enamel and some gold, 24 karat gold, and what else? Some white Anita's metallic and some lawnmower stuff, and what else? What else? I think the magenta and probably a couple other colors that are my favorites, and all I'm going to do right now is find my glasses, found them, and start by putting on paint where I want it. I haven't tried this gloss white with the black, and this was open a second ago. Yeah. I always want to just tip this and see, oh, I just decided to add a color. You know what? I could do the chain pull somebody wanted me to do with this. I'm just going to use my favorite colors right now. And I thought I might spatula them into place. Let's see what I want to do. It might be a good way to start. Got a couple of OXO omelet turning spatulas. I want some other green, and that green is not going to be available for very much longer, as far as I can tell. Alright, so move my bottles back out of the way so I can turn my turntable. Oh, I like the purple and the green together. Wow, that's awesome. Let's do that some more. Let's do that some more too. Oh, I never had used any of that magenta. Let's just clean off what's on that spatula. If I have a heavy layer, I could put chain in here. I could just decide to stop after this too. I would like the edge of my canvas to be covered, but there's, what's it feel like to want? Now I could put other colors on top of this, which is an idea, and then tip. Or I could just call this good, which would be easy, because I really like it. And I recommend just learning to play with your colors in your spatula. But I think what I'm going to do is try and enhance what I like. Let's put some of that Anita's in there without annihilating everything we like. I'm just going to keep scraping off my spatula as I go down, hoping to have a little bead of paint that I can then rub in with my finger. And I'm not trying to cover the whole edge. I know I threatened chain, but I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. I like the cells I've got. Over here they're magnificent. I'm getting some coverage so that the edge of the canvas doesn't show anymore, which is making me happy, because that wasn't making me happy. I really don't want to destroy anything good there. But I also want to pop some more cells. I need some much lighter pink. It's not always my favorite color, but I think in this case it might be perfect. I get canvas showing. I got no paint coming out of my bottle again. Alright, I guess I can tell what I want to do with that. Whatever's stuck in my finger. And there's something on my canvas. Come out, you. Alright, so question is, do I want to play with my skewer? And can I? As long as the paint is heavy and fresh, I could probably get away with some of that. I kind of want to see what regular white would do, and I've already used the enamel, and I don't have much of this turquoise showing. And I just went over those nice cells. You know what? I'm going for fresh skewer. Fresh skewer with no paint dried on it. Maybe even a really fat one. I know, I'm not the only one that thinks I could have stopped when I started. Somebody else in the audience is going, geez, I wish you'd stopped when you started. Well, that's not part of this exploration. That's not how it works. As much as I would love that. Maybe someday when I'm super famous, if that ever happens, I can stop when I want to. But in the meantime, sky's the limit. I can just play. Let's go back to gold again. Also, I think I want to see if I can find the enamel. Finding and using two different things. Can I do it with a spatula? I can. Have I gone overboard? Maybe. Am I done playing? No. And where's that turquoise I haven't used all day? There it is, way over there where I haven't used it all day. And I can. Oh, that's good. I like that. I like that a lot. Now this is the time when somebody could balloon roll, but I don't think it's going to be me. I am just going to let whatever wants to fall down right now, including that nice electric blue drip, fall down. Because it's making a really cute little wave. And I'm popping some neat cells. The only thing that I'm wondering is if I want to risk, do I want to risk that? Maybe I want to try something different. I haven't used much copper today. Let's grab a number 4. I kind of like that. The question is, where is the color? I found what I was looking for. It's a magenta, and it's got iridescent pearl from golden in it. Iridescent pearl fine. And I think I want to grab just a little bit of that enamel because I know that'll sell. First of all, the golden iridescent pearl fine always sells. Now that looks kind of unnatural until you do something on purpose with it. How did that piece of canvas come through? I'm loving that pink. That pink is an iridescent, and I think I'm going to be out of it soon. No matter what I do, I can always add trails. And if they're heavy, which this does not seem to be heavy. Why is that not heavy? Alright, I'm just going to move that ribbon myself because I like it. And I've got beautiful cells. Beautiful, beautiful cells. And I still want to see if that orange is something I want. So I'm going to put it someplace that I can get rid of it easily if I change my mind. And I think I like it, but I don't think I need very much of it. A lot of movement in there, and that's pretty cool. I think I am almost all set, but I'm still having so much fun playing that I might as well continue. And you're still here, and I'm still here, so that's a perfect combination, isn't it? So what do I see that I need to get rid of? Not much. Not rid of. Exactly. Maybe move some things out of my way, and that spatula is one of them. I'm going to dip my skewer in. And use every bit of potential. I love what happens when the black, which is just my Artist Loft mixed with a Walmart semi-gloss. And my regular pouring recipe is below the video, along with my mixing recipe. And I want some regular white right up here. And allow some texture. I can't seem to keep my bottles out of my way. Alright, this is going to take me 20 seconds max, maybe less. I'd rather reach over than be stopped from turning my turntable. So, do I have enough copper? That is the question. Do I really want to do much of anything with those white spots? Maybe I don't, because I kind of like them. They're outstanding, actually. I'll just be gentle. What else? What else? What else? I like this purple here very much. But somehow, a moment ago, I imagined that there was gold there. I see that thing. Where are my tweezers? There they are. That thing, come, ha! That thing and this thing can both go away now. And that's like the kind of stuff that falls off paint bottles. Alright, I'm so close. I know, I say that all the time. I'm sorry. Alright, you know what? I'm too happy with this. Really. And there's no such thing as that. You know that's true. Whatever I've got to touch up on my edges, I will do. This is fabulous, in my opinion, so I'm all good with it as far as I can make myself stop, which is really, really hard. Yeah, there's a lot of great motion going on. There's some great cells, there's some super texture, and I don't need to do anything else to this other than that one thing right there. Sort of pounce that little white spot into place. I'm going to torch to release bubbles caught in the paint, hopefully. And maybe some more patterns, you never know. There are things that occur to me like I'd like some more of that color up there, but you know what? It's actually pretty satisfying right like it is. I use GAC 800 by Golden and all in my paint mixtures so that I don't have to worry about heavy layers of paint cracking when they dry, because they don't. That's what the GAC is for. If I see anything, I'm going to pull it out. I love this. If I saw this in a gallery and I were somebody who wanted to collect art, I would buy this. That can't be a bad thing, which reminds me, thank you guys for all the contributions that have kept me painting all this time. I really appreciate them. If anybody is inclined to help continue supporting the studio to keep producing videos and artworks, please feel free to look for the PayPal or Patreon icons below Show More on the link tree, or on my YouTube channel header. There's icons. Yeah, there's links under the link tree. I'm a lot distracted and I apologize for that, but this was great fun, and I'm really glad you guys joined me. If you're looking for any more great fun, there's over 1,360 some odd videos, probably 1,370 by now, and I don't really need to spend a whole lot of time touching up my edges while you guys are here, but I do need to tell you I love you. There's over 86,700 of you. I still want to keep torching because I hate finding bubbles. I definitely don't like the little hardened bubbles, and my edges are mostly done. Wow! So you guys take care of each other, and you take care of yourselves, and look for my Teespring clothing under the video. Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. Give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I love your comments. Thank you for keeping my morale up. Under the video, under the link tree, find Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest links. Also, my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, is a good place to go if you're a student, and also a good place to go if you're looking for tomorrow's video. You can also find a video posted for tomorrow on the community board on YouTube. On my community board, on my page. My email address is below the video. If you have questions, you can ask them in the community comments section, or you can send me an email. I do sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and you're capable of using my email address to find that out as well. I don't know when they'll start again, probably when social distancing is over. I love you guys. I'm not sure what I'm forgetting to tell you. I'm certain there's something, but that's okay. And I'm pretty happy that you guys were here for me to play with this. This is floating my boat, something fierce. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying I hope to see you tomorrow. I will see you anon. Oh, and check for a Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell art. There's no commercials over there right now. And have fun. Please have fun. Bye for now. Priscilla out.